Guys, Reading Kimono, more clearance, Walgreens, cold medication, all that goodness. We have a chintzy amount of Rite Aid right there. And oh my gosh, guys, would you believe I went penny shopping today? And this is something I normally never do. I had a bit of time this morning and I went penny shopping at the Dollar General and I got 14 pennies, OMG. So I'm gonna walk you through that. And yeah, if you can get out to the Dollar General ASAP, I would definitely look in the clearance section or in the regular section. That's where I found that soda, and you might find some pennies, which is really, really cool. Okay, so weather report for you guys. It's kind of a muggy one outside. Hi to my mom if she's watching. Hope she's having a great day. So the first store we're gonna talk about is the Dollar General. So on Tuesdays, they release a penny list, and basically it's items that are being cleared off the floor, and if you can get them before the store employees get them, you can get them for exactly a penny. And I went out around 10 o'clock this morning and I hit a couple stores, and I was shocked that I kept finding it. And I was talking to a friend who lives local, and she's a really big penny shopper, and we were just chatting about this, and she thinks that because there's a lack of staff, they just don't have time to run around the store and remove all the pennies like they normally do. So like, I never ever penny shop, and I found all this and I was like, oh my gosh. So I found a lot of this in the clearance section, and then some of this I found in the regular section as well. So look high and low, look everywhere. Use the Dollar General app to scan, and good luck with this one, guys. I have a tutorial on how to scan, or if you want to scan one of these barcodes at home to see how it rings up, or if you might have any in your store, that might give you a starting point on where to look. So the first little penny item is the McCafe. Oh, and also when you're going out there penny shopping, for those that are really new to this, it's kind of like Fight Club. You go in the store, grab the pennies, grab all of them, because once the store employee knows that there are, you know, these items in the clearance section that are ringing up for a penny, they'll go and remove all of them. Just grab one and there's like 10 of them left. They'll probably go back and clear them. So just be mindful of that. It's like Fight Club, you know, first rule of Fight Club, there is no Fight Club. That sort of thing. When you go into the store, even if your name is Penny, don't say the word penny. Just don't be suspicious. Just go in there, look for your stuff, and if you can find it, it's a score for you. You'll get it for a penny. If not, you know, it's not gonna happen. Okay, first item are these McCafes 18 K-cups, and the expiration date or expiry date, wherever you're from, November of 2021, that's where it is. Now some of these had expired, but there was a good mix of the ones I was getting. So some are, some aren't, but I don't think it really matters because it's like the expiry date is like August or July, so I think it'll still be fine. I'll drink those. And then these ones, Maxwell House, the 18 count of the medium. So I noticed that in the regular coffee aisle, they're selling the 12 count, so I think they're going to the smaller boxes. And the original price point for a lot of these is like 10 bucks. So what value, like all of this for a penny? Also, this little Clover Valley, which is the Dollar General brand, this little 12 pack is a penny. In Michigan, we have to pay a bottle deposit on the cans, but I think there was root beer, a grape soda, and an orange crush. There was a whole bunch of them by Clover Valley for a penny, so I just had to pay the deposit. My husband loves cola. I found this in the regular cola aisle. I only found one. Might be a harder guy to find, but I was really happy about that. These, now these expire, I think, in August. These 3 expired in July, but sometimes what'll happen for penny shopping, if an item is expired, they have the right not to sell it to you. However, they still sold it to me today, so I got lucky. And these are called Ultimate Caffeine, so they're 12 K-cups. I'm really looking forward to that. And then we have this smooth dark roast, also looks just as good. All of these expire, I think, end of August. So I usually drink 1-2 cups a day, so this will keep me busy for a while. These all really expired in July, and they are the McCafes. So just be mindful of that. They might just say, hey, we can't sell it to you, and just cut your losses. One item I did find was a like a Mott's fruit punch, and it had expired in, I think, May or March. So I just gave it to the cashier and said, you know, really expired item, so they just threw it away. But anyhow, just delighted with my little penny haul. Look high and low, guys, and good luck. And I am never this lucky with penny items. Hey, maybe this, if I find a penny list that I really piques my interest, I might do this more often. Usually this happens on Tuesday mornings, they're released. I might do it again, but I was really surprised how much I found. And again, I found the majority of this in the clearance section, so pretty lucky day for me. So over at Walgreens, more cold medication, the stuff that I love to buy on clearance, 90% off. So let's start with these rainbow supplements. They're elderberry. I got 3 of them. They are on a buy one, get one 50% off. So they were $1.79 and then half off and then $1.79. And the original price point for these guys is $17.99, which is quite a bit. I was finally able to track down some cough drops. These ones by Halls were 30 cents. The original price point for this was $2.99, so what a great little price point. Spearmint chapsticks, the original price point for this was $1.99, and they were on clearance for 20 cents. Have the Walgreens brand of this Chap-Aid or whatever they want to call it, not chapstick because that's probably copyrighted. This guy was 13 cents, so I think the original price point for this was $1.39. Okay, so this was the find of the day on these Vicks Formula 44 DM. It's a mucus buster. There's 12 pills in this, so this is a pill form to deal with a really bad cold. This was just too good to pass up, and some of the expiry dates for this is like 2023, so they're good for a couple of years. We'll definitely use them. These were $1.49 each. Unfortunately, I did not have any manufacturer coupons to go with, but I still made this happen because it was such a fantastic deal. Okay guys, where is my mask? This haul was maskless and I have an answer for you. I was so busy, Dollar General, Dollar General, Dollar General, coffee, 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 clearance, clearance, clearance. I forgot to pick it up. So I have up to 3 days to pick it up. So I will have to go back and get it tomorrow. They will hold it for you up to 3 days over at Walgreens. So I forgot, but the deal worked beautifully. If you want to check out this video, it's linked at the end. Okay, now I went back to Rite Aid. I found this Icy Hot on clearance for $2.12. I had a $2 coupon. I think I got that from a recent insert, so I ended up paying 12 cents. IBOTTA has a $3 rebate, so it made it a money maker. The Unisom deal is too good to pass up. These guys are $10.23 with my gold discount. So for 2 of them, that's $20.46. 2 $8 coupons from coupons.com, or you could do 1 and there's also a digital loadable coupon. So like 1 paper and then 1 digital coupon. You would pay, that $16 comes off, you would pay $4.46 and then get back $5 in bonus cash, essentially making it free, which is great for these little sleep supplements. So guys, hot clearance if you can swing it, and then any sort of beverage in the clearance aisle, scan it. You might get really lucky over at the Dollar General. And like, for me to find all these pennies, like I'm like in some sort of bizarro world. I mean, I was really delighted today, and it was kind of a rush too. So I had a lot of fun doing that. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.